Tiny entertainment, baby.
Hey, hey. Tiny. Why say?
Body on this one, oh.
Ain't nobody but that. Nah. I don't wanna wait for nobody. I just wanna dance with you, mommy.
It be fine, but pop my head.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, of course, welcome to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to be doing a makeup tutorial. So this is something very just simple, but still like kind of like my simple eyeshadow everyday wear. Like if I was to go out and I want to put on eyeshadow, this would be like my go-to look, of course, with the nude lip. And the complexion is always popping. Like I feel like I finally got the hang of my perfect complexion, and I'm so happy. Even like mixing foundation, I feel like I got it like perfect. I got it down. But I hope you guys do enjoy this video. If this is your first time subscribing to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by and welcome to the channel. Please do not forget to hit that subscribe button before you head out. And just in case you're not following me on any of my social media, what are you waiting for? It's right there on the screen. Make sure you add me, follow me. Let's become best of friends. With that being said, let's get right into this tutorial.
Yeah, yeah.
Spells.
Shunko, Emi Anita Beka, you are no Shasha nigga. Emi Lawa Muja Jojo, she no pitas. You today, all you have be a ziga. Alone, you are my holy.
Alright, I hope you guys did enjoy that tutorial. Like I said, it's my go-to everyday eyeshadow look. If you guys did enjoy this video, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you guys have any video you'd like to see on the channel, feel free to comment it below in the comment section, or you can message me privately if you have any video you'd like to see. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, thank you so very much for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and make sure you turn your notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload. And just in case you're not following me on any of my social media, what are you waiting for? It's right there on the screen. Make sure you add me, follow me, let's become best of friends. With that being said, thank you guys always for all the love and all the support on the channel, and I will see you guys on my next upload. Bye!